Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss about the efficiency of Carnot engine. Neta is equal to 1 minus H2 upon H1. Now see, neta is equal to 1 minus H2 upon H1, where H1 is the amount of heat absorbed, right? And H2 is amount of heat rejected. This is a source supply, S1 source supply, the energy, and S2 heat absorbed by the sink. It's okay. And it is equal to 1 minus T2 upon T1, where T1 is the temperature of source and T2 is temperature of the sink. It's okay. Now come to efficiency. Efficiency does not depend upon the nature of the working substance, right? Since in the formula neta is equal to 1 minus S2 upon H1 and 1 minus T2 upon T1, there is no any factor which depends on the working substance. So efficiency does not depend upon the nature of the working substance. Okay, the three things are required for any heat engine. Number one, source of heat. There is a need of source of heat. Second is sink, which reject the heat, right? And third, working substance, which perform mechanical works after supplying heat. If these are available, in that case there will be engine works properly, and we get the in case of Carnot engine, that is neta is equal to 1 minus S2 upon H1, and this is equal to 1 minus T2 upon T1. Obviously you know that here H2 is greater than H1 and T2 is smaller than T1. H2 is smaller than H1. H1 is greater, since it is a source of heat energy.